In this video, we are going to learn fun and easy ways for different lettering styles. Perfect for your school projects, labels, holiday homework, and even cute bookmarks. Let's start A to Z in beautiful lettering style, Trace. Hello my little artists. Welcome to Fun Fonts and Doodles. Today we are going to do something super exciting. We will learn how to trace all the letters from A to Z in a beautiful lettering style trace. So grab your drawing sheets and let's get started. For today's activity, I am using an A3 size plain drawing sheet, a mechanical pencil to make our guidelines. You may use a normal HB pencil in case you don't have a mechanical pencil, a ruler to draw straight and neat lines, a black fiber point pen for the bold tracing, and a gel pen in black color. First, I drew a horizontal line across the page and then I added another line 1 cm below it. This little extra space helps our letters with tails like G, Y, P, Q and J to stretch and breathe easily. It keeps everything neat and pretty. In this video, I have directly used a fiber point pen to draw each letter. But if you want, or you are just starting with your lettering practice, I would recommend beginning with the light pencil strokes. Once you're happy with the shapes, you can go over them with your pen. This way, it's easier to make changes and build your confidence step by step. Take your time and enjoy forming each letter. You don't need to rush at all. Once all the letters are done, I picked up a gel pen with a fine tip and begin tracing just a little aside each letter and not directly on the top. This is the best part. Watching your letters come to life in beautiful style. Just follow along with me and you will see the magic happen. And we are done. You can use this style to decorate your school projects, label your notebooks, write on your display boards, make your holiday homework look extra special, or make your own bookmarks. Until next video, keep creating, keep smiling, and keep shining. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your YouTube channel, Fun Fonts and Doodles, for more fun with lettering styles and doodles.